G'day guys, today I'm going to be running you through how to install updates on Server Core, or I'm using Windows Server 2004 version, so the latest release, which is I think basically the same as 2019 but updated, so 2004. Anyway, let's get into it. So first you will need to log in. Once you log in, you open the sconfig for server config, and then select the option 6, which is download and install updates. So that one there. So 6, press enter, and then it asks you if you want to search for all updates or recommended only. So we're going to search for all. Now it's going to go off to the internet and do a search for the Windows updates. So once it's done searching, it will tell you the updates that are available. So we've got this security intelligence update and the 2020-05 update for server 2019-2004 version, because I'm using server 2019-2004 version. And then you can select to either install all updates, no other updates, or install a single update. We're going to install the all updates, so we're going to press A and hit enter. And now it's going to go and download these updates and start installing them on the server. Now actually installing the updates can take quite some time, and it'll just download them and install them. And I'm not going to sit here and let you watch this screen for the next hour while it does it. So anyway, like and subscribe to see more, and we'll see you next time.